Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning about is really Java is dying programming language. If you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Give you 100% proof that Java is dying or not. So what I did here is to understand whether the Java is really dying or not. What I did is I searched the term Java in Google Trends by selecting worldwide, where across all the countries what would be the search for this, and I have done a period from 2004 to 2019, and I have done a web search criteria. So if we are seeing here with this Java term across worldwide, and it was 2004, it was searching was at the peak. If you can see here, it is 100%. Now as a gradually, if you are seeing as the year progresses, if you are seeing in 2019, the search has come to 25%. Here if you can see here, there is a 100% search. That means there is a drastic reduction, is almost 75% reduction in the Java. That means there is a drastic usage reduction of Java in the software development area. Seeing almost 75% reduction in the usage of Java, and definitely you can get some picture from this graph where the Java is really moving towards. And with this trend over the period, some of the other programming languages will take over Java, like Python. Java may not become completely zero. Java usage has been reduced drastically over the period, and if you can see here in 2019, we could be able to see only 25% of the search results compared to 2004, where Java was searching like almost 100% it was searching. I hope you're able to get hold of whether Java is really dying or it is going to sustain for some more time. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.